Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a password off of a BGA key and a 204 EIS and to program it. This lock's already been done. I've got a new board, new motor, and I've reset it in an unlock position. Very important to reset it in an unlock position. So basically what we're first going to do is we're going to read the EIS. So we're going to open up the tools, EIS. I'm just going to read it via IR. I'm going to read the data. I'm going to put the special key in to the EIS. Okay, once I have the EIS, you'll see which ones are used and which ones are not used. Only key 1 and 2 has been used. Basically, I will save this as a XC05x32 format. Alright, and I'm gonna save it into this file that I already have. Alright, with my BGA pass, it is this one. I've already saved this. Alright, so I've saved it over here as an EIS bin. Alright, basically what we're going to do now is we're going to go to password search. We select read EIS by CAN and the special data from the key, and we select 204. We put the key into the diag speed. Alright, and then we press start. This process takes normally about 2 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to take the key, the original key from the diag speed, the BGA key. I'm going to put it into the EIS. Alright, and I'm going to press OK. Alright, now it's going to draw more data. I put the original BGA key back into the diag speed, and I press OK, and I save the data. Okay, I'm going to save the data in my file. Alright. And I've already saved a few, but I'll just save this one, and then we're gonna call this one 43, and we're gonna save it, and we're gonna do this process 35 to 50 times. Alright, I've already completed this process, so then I go to my BGA bin file. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna compress a WinRAR file, and I'm gonna email. You email this to me or to Roy, and we will calculate the key for you. Okay. Alright, so I've cancelled that now. So basically what I'm going to do is we go back to the EIS. Alright, and we are going to read the EIS via IR again, or via CAN. 204, I select 204 in IR, and I say read data. I put the special key in. Okay, once we send the password back to you, we'll copy this password. Copy. And then you paste it in over here. Paste it, and then you're gonna have to save it as an X format. Okay, CO5 times 32 format. I've already saved it, so now what I'm gonna continue to do is I'm gonna continue to load my dump. Alright, I'm gonna load the EIS dump. There's my password. I'm gonna continue to reset the EIS. I put the key into the special key into the EIS, and I press yes. Now the EIS is deactivated. I press OK. Alright, now what I'm going to continue to do is I'm going to write the EIS via IR. Alright, so I'm going to select the car again, because now it's deactivated, so I'm going to write it via IR. But first, what I like to do is I like to reload the format. So I close over here, I open it again, I load my file again, my dump. BGA. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select IR 204, and I'm going to write the data, put the key in. EIS is written. So I've deactivated the EIS and I've written it. I'm basically going to close over here now. Alright, I'm going to open up my EZL. First I'm going to connect my EZL. Alright, connect my EZL. Alright, I'm going to open up EZL tools. I'm going to select EZL with neck, read EEPROM. I have already reset the EZL, but you're going to basically reset it, which it will do is like this. I've already reset this one. It's going to search on the server. Okay, after it's searched for the password and the hash, it's cleared the ELV. ELV is cleared. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear the TP. TP is cleared. I close over here, close the ESL tools, open EIS tools, select CAN and the model 204. Alright, and I'm going to read the data via CAN. Now I've read it via CAN, EIS number, no VIN number. Now I process to click personalize EZL. EZL now is personalized. I've personalized it according to this car's VIN. Alright, now what I do is I quickly write in the VIN. Very important step to write the VIN. If you don't, your ESP will have a fault because your VIN is not recognized in the ESP control unit. This is a very important step. And then I click on write VIN code. And there's your VIN written. So if I read the data now, my VIN code is in. Alright, VIN code is in, everything is done. I can continue to close this. Alright, now what I can do is I can test the key and make sure it works. Put the key in, pull it out, put the key in, pull it out,